Hey Doc, are you serious? You want this guy drawn next? Hey, we're live. Oh God, sorry about that. Yeah, so we're gonna be drawing this big guy here. Let's see if we can get this live going on what you call it, Instagram. How's it going? Welcome. My name is Alani, and I'm the world's fastest caricature artist, here to just draw some fun faces. Let's go ahead and get this one live here. Caricature. Caricature on Procreate. So that's what this one's gonna be titled. Yeah. All right, here we go. So let's get this drawing popping. Give me 1 second. All right, here we go. We're gonna get another face drawn really quick here. Let's go ahead and, look at his posture. That's what I'm thinking of when I start this one off. He pretty much has like a balloon face, so we're gonna just draw a little triangle right down there. That's his polo shirt. And then, gonna draw, we'll see. We'll see what we come up with. Boom. And then down to the sides here. It's got these sad eyes. And then the tongue sticking out. I think the tongue sticking out gives it a nice touch. I'm just kidding. We're probably not gonna do that to him, not this time. Boom. All right, let's go on to the next layer here. Gonna get a little bit more serious here. And you normally, drawing the face, he's facing slightly to the right. Drawing face to the right is a little bit difficult for me. Somehow, I don't know why it is. I think it has to do with the habits that I have formed, that I have mostly drawn people looking toward the left. But I think it'll be okay. To be honest, I feel like those initial funny sketches have actually helped to capture a person's likeness for that second drawing here, like this one. I think it has to do with, you're just having fun and you're not really thinking about, getting it right, but you are thinking about what to exaggerate right away, which ultimately captures their likeness and their essence, each subject's essence and likeness. So we're gonna draw some we're gonna do the scruff after, and we're also gonna move the mouth probably a little bit. It's the beauty in digital, isn't it? I think I'm gonna need to end up adjusting quite a few things on his face. Nope. Gotta zoom in for this part of it. You know what it is? I think this eye is more open than the other one, so I think that's what we're gonna need to do. We're gonna keep that one closed, and we're going to simply delete this one. Clear that from the layer. We're gonna draw that eye again, but this time it's gonna be a slight bit more open than the first, than the other one. lashes. There we go, that's capturing that. Good progress. I feel like hair is like one of the easier things to do now. It really just depends on the person's hair flow. So if you can determine what the hair flow is, then you're good. You're home sweet home. A lot of scruff. Thing right there. I don't think we need this right here. I do think I need to add a little bit more thickness to the brows. And there you have it, folks. The one and only Casey Salingo. Thanks so much for watching the process. It's always a fun time trying to figure out a face, and this was no exception. This is definitely one that, you know, took a little bit to figure out, and here we are. We are at the finishing touches. Thanks so much again for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you guys go and follow on Instagram, TikTok, and other social media like Twitter. So go and check them out right now. Thanks so much. Links are on the bio, and we'll see you guys next time.